How to allow calls on other devices on iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up Settings. Inside Settings, scroll below, then tap on Apps. Inside Apps, simply tap on the search bar and then search for the phone app. Now tap onto it. Now scroll down and then under Call, you will see an option that says Calls on other devices. If you don't see the option, you have to make sure that your iPhone and the other devices are signed in into the same Apple ID. After that, you will need to tap onto it, and just like that, on the next page, simply toggle on the option for Allow Calls on Other Devices. You will see a list of devices connected to your Apple ID. Make sure the toggle next to each devices you want to receive call is turned on. Now, when you receive a call, your Mac, iPad, or any other devices will also get a call notification, and you can answer the call directly on those devices. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.